Hi everyone! Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make fish balls. Here are the ingredients. 500 grams fish fillet, 3/4 cups cornstarch, 1 teaspoon salt, half tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 cup water, 2 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoon onion, chop, 1 tablespoon garlic, chop, 1 tablespoon spring onions. For the sauce, we're going to use 1 piece onion, chop, 3 cloves garlic, chop, 4 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, and 1 cup water. We're going to start by boiling the fish. So we're going to use a pan and I'm going to add water. Next, we're going to add the fish. So we're going to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the fish is cooked. We will now turn off the heat and we will take out the fish from the water. We'll just drain it. Okay. And the other one. Using a food processor, we will now combine all the ingredients. So we're going to put the cooked fish into our food processor. Okay, now we'll close it. And we will turn it on. Now let's add the onion. And also the garlic. Okay, we will now start it again. Next, we will add the spring onion. The sugar, salt, half tablespoon of baking powder, close it again. Now we will add the cornstarch. And we will slowly add water. Okay. Now let's check the consistency of our fish ball. Okay, let's clean up the edges. Add just a little bit of water. Then we will close it again. We will do one more round. And let's check again the consistency. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, we will now transfer it into the bowl. Okay, so now we have a pan with cooking oil, and we're now ready to fry our fishball. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mold our fishball. So I'm going to get a portion and I'm going to make a ball. Okay, so I'm going to now put our fishball into the oil. Once it floats, that means our fishball is cooked. Okay, so our fishball is now cooked. We will just drain it. Okay. Okay, so we can now poke this. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now it's time to make the sauce. So we're going to put our 1 cup water, then our soy sauce, vinegar, okay, and sugar, okay. Then our cornstarch. So we'll just dissolve this. Okay, so just continuously stir. Then we'll add the garlic. And the onion. So if you want to make it spicy, you just have to add chili. So this is for the kids actually, so I'm not going to add chili. Okay, so when it's thick, you can just turn off the heat. Okay, so this is our fishball sauce. Okay, so we can just transfer it into the bowl. Okay. Okay, so this is our fishball sauce. Okay, so here's our final product. This is the fishball, so we're going to try it. Look at this. And we're going to dip it in our sweet sauce. So, I'm going to try it now. It's so good. I like it. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. You can also visit us in our website at www.PagkaingPinoyTV.com and follow us in our Instagram at PagkaingPinoyTV1. So thank you for watching. Bye!